Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I got a new shirt and also a new Beyblade, so yeah. Let's get started with this unboxing, shall we? But yeah, let me show you a close-up before I do anything else. There's the back, the sides. There is Master Diablos, and yeah. I'll tell you the name. Yeah, oh, both are Master. Okay. So yeah, stay tuned. And also, new launcher, so new setup. Let me flip the camera around and be right back with you guys. Okay, let's go. Yes, I know my table's dirty. It's because it's a work table that I use for painting and stuff like that, so that's why it's kind of messed up a little bit, but yeah, let's get into it with my unboxing knife. But yeah, you'll see this on the 2nd, actually today, so this will be a same day recording. I'm way too excited to not show you guys, cause yeah. And also, good thing, cause I'm leaving at 1. I work at 1, so doing that 8-hour shift. So yeah, besides that, let's see. Oh god. Go. Been waiting for this guy. And no gold, but still. There we go. Logo stickers. Okay. This should be wait a minute. Wait a fucking minute. Got the launcher and everything like that. Just oh, okay, I was gonna say, what the hell? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's what. Oh, I get it now. Sorry. There we go. Oh, that's pretty neat. I was gonna say, there's only one. And yeah. Let's go. I like both sides. And let's get on over here. Ow, poke myself. This is gonna be fun. I like the shape of that. Ooh, yeah. This is gonna be extremely fun. I'll get the stickers out with my smaller knife. And so in the new year, I'm going to be showing you guys this. What the new stuff is coming out. So, I'm getting these two soon, hopefully. It definitely want the Dragoon. So yeah. And I have have no idea what that one's gonna be. But yeah, here's the parts and everything like that. Some combos I might actually try out. And I'm gonna try out a few of these combos, besides one, because I don't have the parts yet for that. Let's go. Ugh. Stickers. There's not as many stickers, that's good. But yeah. Let's get this launcher out. Ugh, I've been waiting for a new launcher. It's a black string, and it's a lot longer than other ones. Right, left. Let's get this guy on to my main setup. There we go. Actually, this is what you're going to see from now on. But look at that black string. That's pretty cool. Let me polish you guys and get the stickers on. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So yeah, here's the Beyblade. Here's the stickers. Only 4 stickers on it. Right, this is the only thing I'm a little iffy about. The little gap in between. Here's this the right spin. Let me get to the left spin. Okay, there we go. And left spin. So yeah. This is I'm gonna be doing some test spins with this guy's soon. So yeah, and with this guy soon. So stay tuned. And also I'll put the stickers on my launcher. Really can't wait to use this guy. So yeah. Actually, let me do a few test spins at least for you guys. So left spin. With my old here. There's left spin. One more time. Let's go for right spin. Okay, there we go. Right spin. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.